Welcome back to Tech Crimes. Today we're going to show you how to close apps on the Apple Watch SE. Let's say that you're using the phone, the watch, sorry, and you think it's going slow, or you have an app that keeps not working like you want it. You want to basically do a hard crash on the app. What we can do is basically press the button, not on the digital crown, the next one time, and when we see the app that we want to crash, let's say Spotify is not working like we like it, we push it sideways and press the X, and now it's closing the app completely. And we want to continue doing this. We just have to do it with all one by one till we clear the whole phone. You could always, of course, turn it off and turn it on. That will clear all the apps. But yeah, if you want to do this, this is how you close the apps. As you can see, recently used apps appear here, and we can go to all apps, and this is basically our app drawer. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one.